Hello there. Well, I've decided to give another larger canvas a go. This is a 16" by 20" and I have coated it in a 50-50 mix of titanium white and pearl white with a very small amount of silicone added. And the colours that I've decided I want to use on it today are violet, phthalo green, extreme sheen 24 karat gold and turquoise. And all my colours have been thinned right down. I'm using a very thin paint today because what I want to do is just blob the paint on, maybe try and do a pattern or two and then swipe over it and then tilt to see what I can get. I'm hoping to get sort of a very blended effect with some white negative space. So I'll get started now. Right, I am very, very happy with that. I love the large splashes of colour, and I can't decide whether to keep it this way or round the other way going down, but I actually like it this way better. I don't know why. So before I bring it up to the light to give you a better look, of course I'm going to hunt for cells, because there is a little bit of silicone in here, and the 24K Extreme Sheen Gold tends to have make some cells as well. So there will be bubbles, of course, because some of this paint I only made up a few hours ago, so it really hasn't had much time to sit. But the bubbles are overall there at a minimum, which is really, really good. So that'll do for the torch. I've found a few here and round here and over here. So I will leave it now for 5 minutes just to develop before I bring it up to the light to show you. Okay, 5 minutes is up. I will now bring this up closer to the light for you to look at. I'm just loving the turquoise and phthalo green together. They're so pretty, and the purple is almost reminds me of deep amethyst and merging into lavender. And of course the gold. Wow, I'm absolutely impressed with the Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. It always seems to make a lovely sparkly picture, and that I'm really, really happy with. It's got a few cells, it's got a lot of lacing. It's done basically what I wanted it to do, experimenting with actually doing a swipe across it before I put it, tilted it. So I'm happy with that on a larger canvas. It would be a little bit too fussy on a small canvas. And that's it for me for this video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.